Messy footage in. Messy footage in, clean video out. Messy footage in, clean video out. Let's break it down. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my brand new series, Behind the Edit. I'm Albina and this is where I show you exactly how I edit every single video in this channel. So today's episode is the overview, the big picture of my whole editing process. After this, every episode goes one step deeper. One skill, one app, one lesson at a time. When I started editing, I tried to learn everything at once, which was honestly overwhelming. So instead, we are learning this the way I actually understand it. One small piece at a time. This episode will walk you through the 3 main apps I use and what each one is for. Then in future episodes, we'll slow down and go deep on each one. Trimming, transitions, captions, all of it. First up, CapCut. This is where 80% of my editing happens. I use it to cut and trim raw footage, add transitions between clips, add captions and on-screen text, adjust spacing so nothing feels slow. It's free, it works on desktop and phone, and it is beginner friendly, which is exactly why I picked it for this channel. In the next Behind the Edit episode, we'll open CapCut together and I'll show you the first thing I do with every episode. Second, Canva. I don't use this for the video itself, but I use it for thumbnails, text overlays, and banner graphics, keeping colors and fonts consistent across every video. This is actually where most of my brand lives. The same color, the same font, the same text, and every single thumbnail. Canva makes that consistency easy even without a professional design background. Beyond these two, I sometimes use a couple of smaller tools. For cleaning audio or quickly converting a file, I'll cover up those two as we need them in future episodes, so nothing feels random. Here's my actual step-by-step order every single video. Film the raw footage, cut and trim in CapCut, add transitions and captions in CapCut, export, build thumbnails in Canva, upload the video and add descriptions, tags and playlists. That's it. It sounds like a lot written out, but once you do a few times, it becomes second nature. So that's the big picture. Starting next episode, we will go one skill deeper. Next episode, we will start our journey step by step, beginner friendly, just like everything else on this channel. So that's how I edit. Three main tools, one simple workflow, and we're going to learn every single piece slowly, properly, so none of it feels overwhelming. Your turn. Comment which one you want me to go deeper first, CapCut or Canva. See you in the next episode.
We love you. See you next time.